Hey everyone, it's Kayla. Welcome back. So today I have another clothing box to share with you, and it is my Wantable box. I haven't done Wantable in a while. Wantable is a little bit more pricey in my opinion, although you can find some good classic pieces with Wantable. So I have found some good stuff with them. But anyway, the reason why I decided to pick up a Wantable box is I received an email, which sometimes they do send them out. So if you want to sign up and kind of watch out for these emails, they offer $25 toward your box that you can use. So you do pay a $20 styling fee, but then in addition to that fee getting subtracted to anything you purchase, you get an additional $25 to use. So today in my box, I'll have $45 to use toward my purchase, which is really nice. With Wantable, just like many of the other styling services, you do get a discount of 20% if you keep 5 or more items. They did send me more than 5 items, which is really nice because it gives you a lot of variety and things to choose from, so I appreciate that. And with Wantable, you get 5 days, so that's nice. So you get a little bit of extra time. Sometimes 3 days is a little bit too short for me, so I like that extra time. Really nice. Wantable does use USPS with a prepaid mailer, so anything that I'm not keeping will just go right back in here, and I'll drop it off at the post office. You do also get, hang on, a sheet with your prices and your stylist note too. I did peek in my box. I did not try anything on, so we're gonna do that together. So I'm not gonna do an unboxing because I've gone through everything myself. I did get a couple pieces of jewelry. I'm not too impressed, but you never know till you try it on, right? What am I missing with Wantable? If I'm missing anything, I'll go over it, but I will leave a link below if you want to learn more about it or if you want to try it for yourself. I have fun with these clothing boxes. So with Wantable, I do use it on demand. I don't get it every month. Oh, you can go onto their website and you can request or decline items in what they call their stream. So you can kind of see what's in their inventory, which is nice. You have an idea of what they offer. So let's see what they sent me. I'll be right back and we will start trying things on. Okay, so this first piece is by Beach Lunch Lounge, and this is the Ellora Smocked neck top in Peonies. It's an extra large. It's $58, and of course I forgot something. I forgot to look at the fabric. I'm always forgetting to tell you something, so I'm so sorry. If I leave something out, just ask me and I will tell you, because you know I'll forget to tell you something important, so just always ask. This is 100% modal, so it's an off-the-shoulder top. It's very cute. I purchased one from Stitch Fix like 2 or 3 boxes ago, which I really like, and it kind of reminds me of the same pattern. It was not red. It was more of like a darker paint color, but it was still floral. This is really cute though, so let's talk about this top. It does have a bell sleeve on each side. What do you think? I like it. I'll turn around so you can see the back. What I like about this one is the weight of this top. It's very lightweight and it would be perfect for the weather. And I have been wearing off-the-shoulder tops, so I do like them. I'm not sure. What do you think? I might just compare it to the one I have from Stitch Fix already to see if it's very close in style or like patterns and stuff like that. And if it's very close, then I won't get this one, but I do love it. Look at the sleeves. I love the bell sleeves. How fun are they? All right, so that's the first top. I'll be right back with my next one. Okay, I'm back, and I have 2 pieces on. We'll do the top first. This is the Z Supply Twist Front Tee in white, extra large, $35. Of course, what did I forget again? The fabric. So hang on, let me see if I can see it from here. This is 60% cotton and 40% polyester. So this is see-through, so I'm not gonna keep this top. I do like the twist front. I think it's really cute. And I do love the V neckline. You know I love a V neckline. Here's the back. It is a little bit longer, but it's just see-through and I wouldn't pull for it. So not gonna keep this one. But let me turn the camera down. I'll be right back and we will talk about the pants. Okay, so I'm back and I have on the pants. These are by Curve Appeal. These are the Essential Skinny Pant in black. They are $68. So I do like these pants a lot. They're just kind of a black jean. I do like the waistline. It's at a pretty good spot for me. And then I think they fit really nice. They're a little bit long, pockets both in the front and the back, and they're functional. Here's the back of the pants. I do like these pants a lot, and I might pick them up. I do have one pair of black jeans that I recently picked up, maybe like a few months ago. But these are very comfortable, so I might grab these too. Let me know what you think about these jeans. I really like them. All right, I'll be right back with my next outfit. Okay, so I am back and I have another pair of pants to show you. These are by Michel Studio. These are the Alexa regular solid pull-on ankle pant and Phantom. They are $69. They're very comfortable. These are more like a work pant, so they're almost gray. They're like a dark charcoal gray, which I'm not sure it's gonna come across on camera because they look black. Even in person, they kind of look black. So each side, really cute, has a zipper, not really a real pocket, kind of a faux pocket, but does have that zipper detail on each side. So I like that. I do also like the waistline of these. These are actually a better length, so if I wanted to wear heels to work, because these are more of a work pant, they would be a perfect length with heels, so I like that. Here's the back. Let me know what you think. I like them. I'm not sure that I love them. They do have kind of a detail down the front, which I can, let me see if I can show you, if I can come close. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. What do you think? I'll have to see how much I have to pair with this color, but I don't know. I think I like the black pair better, but you let me know your thoughts. I'll be right back. I only have one more clothing item, so stay tuned. All right, I am back and I have on a dress. So this is the polka dot fit and flare dress in rosewood. It's by Love and Legend. It's $79 and it's an extra large. So what do you think? Oh, I forgot the material. I'm sorry. I always forget something. I forgot to tell you the material, so I'll post it down below. So what do you think about this dress? I don't know if I like it. It's not really a Kayla dress. So it's got a big scoop neck and it's not really bra friendly. I had to really adjust, kind of. I don't know. It's just not my normal style. It does have pockets, which I like. And no, I know I don't need pockets in a dress, but for some reason, I like having them there. What do you think? It does have good movement to it. I do like that. I just picked up a dress recently in another box, which I'm loving, but I don't know about this one for me. It's just not a typical me dress. I do like the color of it, and I've been loving red, but this is more of like a deeper red with the polka dots. So I don't know, but I'm curious to hear your thoughts. I just don't think I'm gonna pick this one up. All right, I'll be right back. Oh, I have to show you the jewelry and we'll do a recap. Okay, so before my recap, I'm gonna show you the two pieces of jewelry that I received. But I wanna show you, they come in this cute pouch, which I really like that they come in a pouch like this because it kind of protects them in transit. So first I have these beautiful earrings, and coral is a good color this year. So these are coral earrings. These are the Teardrop Stud Coral. They are by Marley Design Works. They are $28. I do think I'm gonna keep these earrings. I have said this in the past that I don't wear earrings a lot, but I've been getting into earrings recently and I've been buying more earrings and I've been loving them. It just kind of ups your look a little bit. So I do think I'm gonna pick these up for summertime, so I like these a lot. And $28 is a pretty, I know it's a little bit pricey, but I like that. And then I did receive a bracelet, which is not really my style, but it's very cute. This is W by Wantable. It is the Inspiration Cuff Love in gold. It's $35. I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to see, but it is, love is like etched in there. It's a cute bangle. I'll show you on really quick. Whoops. Of course I can't get it on now. And I just had it on. Here we go. Whoops. So it's cute. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just not really my style with, I don't know. Like I said, there's nothing wrong with it. So it's really cute if this is your style. I do like it. All right, so that was my Wantable box. So what did you think? I don't know what I'm going to keep. I know what I'm not going to keep. So let's talk about that first. So I don't think I'm gonna keep this dress, the polka dot dress. It just really wasn't my style, and I don't know if the cut was right for me, but you can let me know what you think. If I'm off base and you think I should keep it, I don't know, it just wasn't really for me. The gray pants I liked, but I don't know that I'll keep these. I don't know I don't know how much I'd pull for them. So I think the gray pants are going back. The black pants I am considering. The black jeans by Curve Appeal. I'm really considering those jeans. I liked them. They fit me well, although they were a little bit long. I'm short. I've got to deal with it, right? Or I have to like cuff or just cuff in. I'm learning how to work with it. So I think I'm going to keep these jeans. I really did like them. Let me know what you think. I'm going to watch back because that always helps me too. So that's a possibility, that one thing. And then this shirt I really did like. I just don't know if I need another off-the-shoulder top that's similar to my other one. If it was in a different color and maybe didn't have like this a floral pattern that's similar to the one I have, I might consider this because I really did like this top, but I don't know that I need two that are that similar. And then unfortunately I am going to send the white Z Supply tee back. It was just too see-through for me. I need a thicker white t-shirt. And then I'm going to keep the earrings. So if anything in this box, I think the earrings and the black pants. But let me know your thoughts. I always love hearing from you and chatting with you in the comment section. I hope you're all doing well. Oh, if I kept everything in this box, which we know I'm not doing, $372, yikes, definitely can't do that, right? The $25 comes off plus the 20% discount. So $25 comes off and then $74.40. Sales tax gets added on, and then the styling fee comes off, so it would be $268.64. Not keeping everything, like I said, probably those two items. So I can't wait to hear what you think. Thanks so much for spending some time with me today. I always appreciate it, and I hope that you're having a wonderful day. I'll see you all in my next video, which is going to be really soon, and it's going to be more clothing, so stay tuned.